Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 1997 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ. Now I know you're looking at this and you're saying, well Michael, that's an LJ. That only was around from 04 to 06. That's correct, but it works for both. So we put a 3-inch zone off-road lift on it with some Nitro Shocks, upgraded them from their Hydros. You still have another step, which are Fox shocks. The Nitro is a $27 upgrade, the Fox shocks are like a $250 upgrade, so depending on what you want to spend, that'll lean towards your shocks. We put some factory Jeep Wrangler wheels on it from a JK. They're just the 17-inch wheels off of a Sport, and some 265 70 R17 Cooper Discover all-terrain tires. Now, the tires, they're a Cooper, they're an all-terrain. You get what you pay for. They're very expensive. They ride phenomenally. We also have some G2 wheel adapters. It's an 1.25 inch wheel adapter. It takes it from the 5 on 4.5 bolt pattern to a 5 on 5. Yes, to a 5 on 5. Besides that, our tips and tricks for this zone off-road lift. The first one is you need to make sure that you have a drill. You'll need a drill for your rear track bar relocation bracket, and you'll need to drill your front track bar mount 3/4 inch to the driver's side. Besides that, it's pretty simple. The only other thing to watch out for are your transfer case and your skid plate bolts. You have to add spacers in those. If your Jeep is finicky, if your Jeep is rusty, you'll more than likely run into a problem with that. This Jeep wasn't even rusty and we still ran into a problem with one of them. We ended up having to weld that nut cert on the front skid plate mount. So, be careful when you're taking the transfer case and putting your spacers in. And worst case scenario, if you do end up stripping it or it comes loose, the weld on the inside of the frame comes loose, get a welder, weld around it, grind it down, paint it, slap it back up there. And if you're just not that worried about it, then if you have 5 out of the 6 spacers, that's passing. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment or shoot us an email or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. And if you want to order this lift or the tires or the wheels or a light bar or a grill or anything, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let's get your parts shipped out today. And if you're sitting there and you're thinking, Michael, that's great. I'm glad that customer got their TJ, LJ, whichever one, built, but I want to go ahead and buy one pre-built. We have started to partner with our dealers in putting their inventory on our website. So if you go to central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, we are going to post the pre-built vehicles that dealers have on their lots ready to ship or deliver to you on our website. So go to our website, central-alps.com, look at that inventory, and hopefully either let's sell you a part, maybe we helped you with the tips and tricks, or let's sell you an entire car. So again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.